It's another beautiful morning up on the mountain. We're going to keep working on this oak tree situation. We got to get these logs to the sawmill. We got to figure out what we're going to do with this stump. So let's get started. So our original plan was to dig this stump out with the backhoe, but I think that's going to be a lot of work. These big old roots go way out in all directions. So we're going to do something a little different. I think I'll just show you. That was a little noisy this morning. All right, so what we have is a bunch of deep cuts in the top of this stump. And what we're going to end up doing is pour some diesel fuel in there and light it on fire. So the idea would be to keep a small pile of wood right on top of it, let that stump keep burning down from the center, and before long, it'll be below the ground. And we don't want to build the fire very big. We want to keep it all super tight right in the middle of the stump. And yeah, should be okay. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get the tractor out and start working on the logs. Got to keep up our multitasking. All right, we have the log all chained up, hooked to the back of the tractor, keeping an eye on our fire. It's going about like you would expect. Well, that worked out pretty well. Okay, so we used the tractor to get it up on this ramp, and now we need to roll it all the way up here to the top to get it ready to go on the sawmill. To do that, we'll use what's called a cant hook. I don't know why they call it a cant hook. It should be called a I can hook, or just a hook, or something. So we have it all the way up here at the top. We have to get it over here to the sawmill, but we'll work on that when we're ready to start sawing. But right now, let's get the other logs up on this ramp. Let's go check on the fire. So the stump's slowly burning away. I went ahead and cleared all the leaves out from around it, so while we're doing other things, it doesn't get out of control. And we'll just let it keep burning. You guys took a tumble there. Hope you're okay. Number 2's on the rack. Just got to roll it up next to the other one. All right, one more big log and then the easy stuff. So we'll call that good enough. We have all three of the logs up on the rack. Got a little bit of fire watch to do. And it's almost time to go play Warzone and drink some beer. I just had a blowout on my good pair of gloves. Guess we're gonna have to go spend another $3 at the Home Depot. $3 is $3. So we could keep working stacking firewood. That's no fun. I think we're just gonna sit here and watch the fire burn for a while.
It ain't much.
Of course, you guys don't have to watch this. Make sure to get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.